No, not the name. No.
You know, she goes.
My slip of tongue, dude. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have planned for a new channel video, that is what's in my box. So let me introduce this pretty lady who is taking part in this challenge, that is my Apurva. Okay, so the challenge is all about I have given my brother work to keep few items in this bowl, and me and she gonna guess it what's inside the box. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing is gonna start now. So let's cover our face.
Grace.
Face, yeah, that's what.
No cheating.
Okay. First. Are you done?
Yes.
Can you open eyes?
Of course.
So let's start. Seriously. Dude. Potato.
Okay.
She's first. Okay, she gets 1 point.
Is it actually potato?
Yeah, potato. She's good at kitchen, so obviously she'll be knowing what's there inside this. So she gets 1 point.
Thank you.
Okay, take her.
Vinith, you're just...
I'm excited for the second one.
Okay, let's close your eyes.
Yeah.
Is it done?
Of course.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Macaroon.
Whoa. That's true.
She gets second.
You being a Mangalorean and you don't know.
Dude, I am feeling it.
Why? You get this in Bangalore also.
But it's a Mangalorean
Not yet.
famous.
Okay, cool. She
Can
gets.
we eat this?
Okay.
Have it. I have it. Okay. She gets 1 more point.
Thank you.
2-0. Okay. If I get 0 points for all, no. After third one, I'll take more time to feel it. Okay, let her have.
I'm
Done.
on.
Okay, cool. The third one, let's start.
Sure. I think we have to do a Prabhu Bakery promotion also.
Okay,
For
we'll
these
get this in
yummy
our shop.
macaroons.
It's a Mangalorean special. Okay, so third one. Bomb.
Yes.
Okay. So 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Brinjal. Mommy. She gets the third point as well.
Are you doing it on purpose or something?
No.
So that you want me to win?
I'm just feeling it. Okay, she gets 3-0. Okay, next in 2 seconds early, I'll feel it. Okay, I want 1 point at least. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, fourth one.
Okay.
Chalo, close the eyes.
Done?
Yes.
Okay, I'll start. 3, 2, 1, go. You start. Some chips. Banana. What is this? Oh, this is yeah, jackfruit seed.
Yes. That's a jackfruit seed.
Correct.
Thank God. Okay, Thank God. It's 1 and 3, right?
3.
Yeah. Yeah, 1 and 3. Thank God I got 1. Okay. So what is this? Fourth one, right?
Yeah. 4 are done. So the fifth one.
Fifth one. Okay, good. So next one.
Done?
Yes.
Okay, start. 3, 2, 1, go. Pasta.
Yes. That's pasta.
Oh my God.
Pasta
What
penny.
am I doing?
Penny pasta.
What am I doing?
It's your favorite. You must have guessed.
Yeah, but I was pressing like that. I thought some kurkure or something, but kurkure won't be that hard also. Okay, so four, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 and 1. Once again, she's leading.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Next one. Let's
Okay.
go, guys.
Yes.
Done.
Done. I'm nervous. Wait. God, please.
Jai Bajrangali.
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go. Choose. Paper. No, leaf. What
And
leaf?
that's the right answer.
I
That's
get
really-
half points. I said
she told
leaf.
leaf first before. Okay.
Okay.
You can
Half
get the
and
point
1.
for her.
Okay. No, half and 1. Because she had told the entire thing and I told it half. Okay. Okay. So I got 1.5 and hers is 4.5. No, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. She gets 5 and I get 1.5.
How many are over?
Yeah. You got 6 cents. Yeah.
It's 1.
No, you got 5 and 1.5. Let's go. Done. Tell no.
No, wait.
Are you done? Dude, what are you
Please
doing?
stop
Dude,
this,
please.
Yes. It's done. It's done.
Eh, liar.
And
What's that sound?
it feels so nice to,
You also
Close
come
your
and
eyes.
play along with this. Come.
so relaxing. No?
Let's
Okay,
annoy
we'll start.
us. So 3, 2, 1, go. Kadle, peanut.
That's not peanut.
Wait, I'll tell you.
Be specific.
It is black chana.
Okay. It's not black chana, it's white chana. Okay, the color doesn't matter, but it is chana.
Okay, not peanut, yeah. Chana.
You don't get that pointy, sharp thing in the.
Okay, cool. She gets 6 points and mine is 1.5.
Kabul
She's
chana.
calling me a loser behind. Okay, let's close our eyes.
Yes. Done.
Dude, there was no sound in it. Maybe it may be something heavy. Be ready. Okay. So 3, 2, 1, go. Huh? This is pow. Bread or something.
That's pow.
Right.
Soft pow.
You get this in Prabhu Beki. Modern wala, right?
Yeah. The fluffy and soft one.
So finally, I got 1 more point. 2.5 and 5, right? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, you got 6 and mine is 2.5.
Okay.
Done?
You're leading
Next
anyway.
one.
She has won this challenge. I'll tell
No,
you
we
what.
still have
I'll
a lot
tell
of
you.
items.
Yeah, I'll tell you the reward after this challenge. Okay?
Oh, we have a reward also.
Yeah. That's a secret. Okay? So
Ready?
let's close our eyes.
Ready for the next challenge? Yes.
Done?
Done. Ready?
Yeah, say it. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Dude, there's nothing.
There is something.
Dude, where?
There's nothing.
There's something.
nothing.
You already heard the sound?
Yeah, I did. I mean, we did. Dude,
Oh, where is it?
please, liar. Dude, what the?
Okay, don't waste
We're in the month of April, dude. Which the month?
But that's only on April 1st.
Okay.
Okay, fast.
Post
Fast.
April. Okay. Close it.
Almost take a minute for it. Okay, good. So, go ball. Done.
Yes, done.
Done.
Wait, oh, sorry.
So, tell 3, 2, 1.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Potato.
Potato. Tomato.
Dude, chiku.
Lemon.
That's lemon.
I'm scared.
I think we have to give the challenge
Challenge
to
him
him
next time. Yeah, for sure. If you want me to do this challenge with him, this part, second part, please comment down in the section below.
Okay, the next.
Let's close our eyes.
Yes. Done.
Done?
Dude, please God, I can do it. So,
So 3, 2, 1.
Shee, what is this?
I'll tell.
It's
It's
a spot.
banana.
It's banana.
Cut
Gee.
bananas. Milk.
Yeah.
Eating all the
Okay, so one minute, I'll wash my hands.
food. Right.
So the next one, are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay.
Chal, close our eyes. What will be the next one?
Yes.
Done?
Done. Ta-da!
Say.
Say,
Done.
3, 2,
2,
1,
1.
go. Dude, this is. Wait.
There's
Soap!
Yes.
Correct.
That's soap. That's a bathing soap.
Hammam and Chandrika. Okay. So I got 3.5 and she got 8. 8 points. Our winner.
Not really. We have still a lot of items.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready for the next one?
Ready? Cool. Close your eyes.
Yes.
Done?
Ready for the next one? 3, 2,
Dude, slowly. 3.
3,
Good whisper.
Yeah.
2, 3,
Dude!
2,
Start!
1.
What is this? A tooth. Toothpick. Toothpick.
Earbud.
Oh yeah, earbud. Oh
You-
shit,
you
dude.
find
No,
toothpick.
no. It is earbud itself. My.
Actually, for a second, I was also like stuck. I know the item. I'm like, what's the name?
I know it is earbud. I don't know why I did toothpick. By mistakenly, dude. Okay,
Okay.
so she got 9 and I have got 3.5.
Okay.
9 and 3.5.
Okay.
Okay, stuck. What's wrong with you?
Yes. You ready?
Done.
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 Count.
Ta-da! 3, 2, 1.
Dude, lipstick.
Oh my god.
Obviously,
That's
food
the first-
items, how can I guess? I don't touch every day. All this. But lipstick. My favorite. More dude, I like it.
Stick. So, what's the point?
It's 4.5 and 9.
9.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Ta-da! Yes. Noodles.
Totals.
Noodles.
So
3, 2, 1.
masala puri.
Puri.
Wait. Yes.
I mean, I said pupu puri.
It's puri.
We deserve one.
Both gets the
we
point.
told it
Pani puri
together.
lovers.
Yeah. God, but I
Roads.
spoiled it.
I spoiled the entire thing.
Softly.
Even this we get it in our shop. Please do come and buy it. You can have it in during lockdown. Even in my friend's house today, it's pani puri. It seems.
Yeah.
So ready?
So
Yeah.
what's the point? She gets 10, I guess, no? 10 and find out.
Okay. So ready for the final showdown?
Oh, final? Last
Final,
one.
seriously.
Yeah.
God, it was fun. We wanted more of them.
If you guys want the second part, please, please comment down in the comment section below. Please.
So this is the last one.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Dude, fast. It's Thursday.
It was fun, no?
Yeah, that's what. It was nice.
Okay.
We'll do one more tomorrow. Okay.
Ready?
Okay. I'm sorry. Dude, it's
That's okay.
broken.
Drop it down.
We-
So
Okay.
ready for the final showdown?
Yes.
She has won the challenge already because she has scored 10 and I'm find off. Where is find out and where is 10?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, chalo.
Close it.
Final.
Ready?
Dude, is it something from the fridge? Where you drank water and you get it?
Probably we just, made a story of drinking water.
Yeah.
Just a minute.
It's okay. Maybe something different. I don't know. Dude, what it may be? Dude, don't get something like sticky and all that.
Wait a minute. Not done.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Dude, are you done?
There's water in here, I think.
The last one.
Okay. Just wait.
Okay. Dude, how long are you preparing some dish? Pizza.
Okay, done.
Done.
Yes.
Done?
3, 2, 1, attack.
Egg yolk. She.
God.
Dude. Yuck.
Oh.
You can have it directly. The drawing.
God. Chalo, now wash our hands. And let's get back.
No. There's something that.
One more.
Yeah.
And a stain.
No, it's okay. That's fine.
Okay, fine. Probably
Yeah.
together.
Okay.
Good.
Will you clean this?
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's do that.
No, how will we close our eyes now? How will we close our eyes in this?
Let's do this.
Okay, good. Chalo. Last one. So what's the score? 10 and 6.5, no?
Yeah.
Oh my god, 17 items were there. No, 16 or something was there.
Ready? 1 second. Okay. Ready?
Done.
Done?
I'm done.
Done. Good morning.
God, my eyes are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
And I don't think anybody can guess this man.
Really? Don't challenge
Yeah.
us.
3, 2, 1.
dude, you have added something for the yolk. Dude, some no chalk.
Oh yeah. And that's chalk.
Nice.
Good one, good one. I love it.
God.
I broke it into pieces. That's why
Even me.
it's chalk.
But
But
why? The eggs are wasted.
Okay, so let's wash our hands at least now. Chalo, come. Okay, finally. We we are done with this challenge, and she has scored 10, and I was 7.5, right? The last one, yeah, 7.5. So the clear winner is Aparama.
Thank you.
Okay, you want to know what's the
Oh yeah, you
reward?
told me there is some prize reward for me.
Yes, yes. It's not a thing, it's a food, obviously.
I'll be the happiest if I'm gonna get
Chicken
it.
biryani.
No.
Chicken tikka.
There's one thing in common what we both love the most.
Oh god, cheese. Don't
No.
tell me, not cheese.
A place where we go and have.
Pasta.
Momos.
Yes! So I'm
Really?
going to treat her momos in Work and Fork
Oh,
once
wow.
after the lockdown gets over.
That's our favorite place.
Yeah. So,
Peri peri.
not
chicken
sponsored,
momos.
sorry, not sponsored at all. But that's a.
Really nice place.
Yeah. Nothing can beat.
So you're
the
gonna
momos
treat
of-
only her.
Yeah, only her.
Not happy because I'm not getting anything.
Okay.
Okay.
You're getting the entire. All
Yeah,
this.
done.
Okay. So she's gonna get momos from Work
waiting.
and Fork once after the lockdown. So here we are end of this challenge. I hope you all guys loved it, and if you like this video, please do not forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
Just Dance with Ramita. Yay!